import data from SQL Server. So this is where you have to choose, or this is where you have to select. Or you can go to get data, then SQL Server. But since we have a shortcut here, we don't need to go through this long process. I'll just click on this. So once you click on this, it opens a menu for you. So the menu is requesting for a server name. So you have to provide the server name. That is where you are connecting to. It's like browsing the internet. The files, if you want to search something on Google, you just you open Google search, then you type whatever that you want to search. Once you type it there, it communicates with a server from Google's premises, wherever it is, whether in Europe, US, Canada, wherever. Then it retrieves the record for you. So the same idea or the same ideology applies here. We want to connect an SQL server to Power BI so that we can analyze our data. And what we need to do is we need to provide the server details. So first of all, we need the server name. How do we get the server name? You come back to your relational database management system. Then you see this connect. When you click on it, there is this database engine. So when you click on it, this is the server name. You see server name. You just right click and copy it. Then you close this. Or you can just, you can just right click on this one. You can right click on this, go to properties. Then you get the name of the server here, the same thing. So the name of the server takes your computer's name / SQL Express. So the server that we are using is called SQL Express. If you can remember, in the initial stages of learning SQL, we downloaded SQL Express. And SQL Express is a Microsoft free version of SQL Server, which you can use for training purposes and lightweight projects. All right. So you can double click on this and copy, or you can use the method that I used initially. Any of them can get you the server name. So this is our server name. I hope you see the server. Oh, you don't see it. Let me share. Sorry about that. So this is what I was talking about. When you right click on this and go to properties, this is what you see. So this is the name of the server. The first part is your computer's name. So this is my computer's name. Then this is the SQL server name, which is SQL Express, the one that we downloaded from Microsoft. You just select all and make a copy of it. You can close it. Then you go back to Power BI. Then you input it here. Then the next thing is the database name. So depending on how you want to load your data, even though it's optional, but as a good practice, let's bring the database name. So the database that we are going to use is called Sales Project. So you can right click on it, then go to, where can we even copy it? Let me see, properties. Yeah, you can also go to properties, right click on the database name and copy it. Or you can just double click on it to make it editable. Then you copy. You come back to Power BI, then you put it there. Then you have two ways of connecting SQL Server to Power BI. import and direct query. Both of them have